Hi guys, so I got a few cool stuff from Nature Republic and I'm so excited to share with you because I love all of them. And yeah, I've been planning to make this video since like last Friday. I just couldn't find time last weekend. Yeah, so today before I go work I still have like 20 minutes to make this video. Okay, let me get started. First, I actually went to Nature Republic to just pick up some nail art sticker because I love nail art stickers because they're just so cute and it saves time for me to make my nails really cute. And that's my nails right now. Those are all stickers. Well, I paint them, but yeah, just the base, and then the the designs are all nail art stickers. So well, first off, I got this stone sticker. They're just adorable. I have it on the tip of my nails, and that's that. And the next one is another nail stones. The next is this sticker design, which is a animal print. Then another one is this. The next one is this, which I'm using on this finger. So they're so adorable. And then there's a nail stone in heart shape. And then the last one is this one. See, they are so adorable. Like, I got each of this in like 1,001. So, got, I guess, like 7 of nail art stickers. Then the next thing I got there is this lip gloss, which is called Kiss of a Diamond. This is in number 4. And this is in number 5. So I'll just swatch it for you guys. So this is the applicator. It comes with a brush. And the color is this one. This is in number 4. It's beautiful. It's pretty. Then number 5 is a very light pink, which is almost like just like a clear gloss for me. So that's that. And then I also picked up their smooth lip cream. This is in number 4. This is in number 2. And this is in number 1. So this is number 1 is so this is the applicator. Number 1 is just kind of a nudie pink. That one. And then the next one is number 2, which is a dark coral color. And number 4, which I'm wearing right now, kind of nude color. And that's that right there. This lip cream are so creamy and I love them. Next, I got this Baby Talk lip and cheek. I got 5 of them. They are for the lip and cheek. So this one is in number 4, which is a hot pink color. That's the color. And looks like that. Right there. That's number 4. And then the next one is in number 2, which is like an orange color. Coral color. So that's that. It's pretty. It's so beautiful. The reason why I got like all of the colors because I love them. I also actually first got like 3, and then when I tried it, I went back the next day to get like the 2 other color. Then the next one is number 1. This is a light rosy pink color. That's right there. Then fourth one is in number 3. Is this color, a light beige color. It's not light beige, but it's kind of light pink for some reason. And then the last one is this number 5 is pink with purple undertone color. That's that one right there. I am so in love with this product. I love them. I use them every day since I got them. I love them so much. I've been like looking for, you know, a cream blush, and oh, I'm so in love with this. And then what else did I got? Oh, I got this eyeliner. It's called So Big, also from Nature Republic, and it's what I'm wearing right now on my eyes. And right there, that's the applicator. That's a swatch. Also, nail polish from Nature Republic. This is EBE 101, a light beige color. Oh, an eyeshadow. I believe I got an eyeshadow. Where is it? I got this dark matte brown eyeshadow, which is really smooth. It's dark brown. It's not chalky. It's just so great, and it's very pigmented. Now, the next thing I got is from FACESHOP, and this eyelash curler and this palette, and that's how it looks like inside. I already have this before, so. And then from Nature Republic, they gave me a bunch of samples. Got me all this masks, brightening mask. Yeah, these are all brightening masks, so they just gave it to me. They gave like 5 brightening masks. Also, they gave me this 6. I have one more. And then they gave me this Fresh Aqua Travel Kit. Then a cotton and an emulsion and toner. And a cleansing tissue. Yeah, 2 cleansing tissue, actually. So that's all I got from Nature Republic and FACESHOP. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you later.